Reading is a biologically secondary skill, which means it's not something that our brains will just pick up naturally. It's something that we need to teach them explicitly. Our brains are naturally designed to be able to pick up speech sounds and produce words, but our brains have not yet evolved to be able to just read those squiggles on the paper. We need to train our brains to be able to do that. Now, there's a specific area in the brain called the visual word form area that lights up on MRI scans in people's brains when they're reading. This is a specific area of the brain that we have manipulated to be able to have the ability to read. This part of the brain helps us to be able to identify little black marks on a page and convert them into something that actually carries meaning. But we can't just do that innately or magically or just learn it over time through osmosis. We need to train our brains to be able to do that. And to do that, we start with the ability to speak, which is something our brains can do naturally. And then we start to map on those sounds that we've learned through speech to specific letters that we put together to make words. And then we can develop the skills to be able to read. This isn't something our brain was initially designed to do, but it's an area that we repurpose to be able to give us this ability to read. So speaking is really the tip of the iceberg here, but it's a really important tip when it comes to learning to read.